What's going on YouTube world? Austin Lewis here coming to you guys with another YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how I made over $22,000 with Bitcoin. Ladies and gentlemen, before I even get started in this video and share with you guys my investment, why I decided to make my investment, I want you guys to understand one thing. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not somebody that is here to give you advice on you should purchase Bitcoin right now at the current price of $9,880. I am not saying that whatsoever. I am just here to share with you guys my experience. Now, this is my first time actually getting involved in Bitcoin. I've been involved in other altcoins and other different coins like Ethereum or Litecoin, for example. Some of you guys go way back, follow me or subscribe to me, and seen me do the Litecoin deal a whole heck of a long time ago. But, you know, I don't want to give you guys any advice with cryptocurrency or anything like that, whether you believe in it or you don't believe in it. I just want to share with you guys my testimonial in terms of how I was able to make just a little over $22,000 with Bitcoin. Before we get started, ladies and gentlemen, make sure and smash the thumbs up button on this video because it helps the YouTube algorithm. Make sure and share this with 5 of your guys' friends because I greatly appreciate you guys' support. And if you guys are brand new here, make sure and smash the subscribe button because new subscribers are always welcome here. We're going to 100,000 subscribers. We're going to be pumping out content like no tomorrow. My partner and I are actually going to be sitting in our office. We're redoing our entire offices, our little cubicle offices, so I can come to you guys way more often than what I do right now. My goal is to come to you guys around 4 times a week. Right now I only do once or twice a week, so 4 times a week is going to be my goal for those of you that are interested in staying tuned. Let's dive right into this. As you guys are familiar, as I shared with you guys at the beginning of this video, I really don't know a whole lot about cryptocurrency. I'll be frank and honest with you. Some say, Austin, you just got lucky with investing in cryptocurrency and you were able to make well over $20,000 in Bitcoin because of the recent spike that it has done. And you know, one thing I want to recommend each and every single person that does take trades or does invest money, okay? Number 1, don't invest money that you don't or aren't willing to lose. Every single time that I invest in anything, I have 2 questions. 1, is the risk worth it? Is the profit margin 100% there? And number 2, am I willing to lose this money? So if you can't answer those 2 questions full-heartedly, you get a check mark both boxes, then I highly recommend each and every single one of you guys to not do that. What I don't want you to do is go out there and invest something you really can't lose or get started in something that really isn't worth the profits. I know there's a lot of other videos that I have on my channel that can teach, coach, and train you guys exactly how to go make thousands of dollars a month without fixing and flipping cars, without buying and reselling iPhones. I know there's a lot of stuff in the world, and I even have videos on my channel about that stuff. But here I am to tell you that there are way better ways to earn money. But I'll share with you guys one thing I do suggest those of you that are going to be starting to trade or are making some investments dealing around the cryptocurrency. Follow credible people. Again, this is going to be kind of a different video, and this is just going to give you guys the mindset on what I had on how I was literally able to make well over $22,000 literally just in 24 hours with Bitcoin. And the reason I share this with you guys is not to impress you, but to impress upon you that, you know, everybody's got a mentor, everybody's got a coach. And whoever it is that you are listening to, whoever it is that you are watching make these trades, I was interested in getting into cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin. Therefore, I was watching people that traded Bitcoin. And I was listening. Now, obviously, I understand that not everybody knows 100% what's going to happen. Nobody's got a crystal ball like a genie, right? I understand that. But again, when I went to make this investment, I thought of 2 things. 1, is the profit margin potential really worth it? And number 2, is the money that I'm going to be investing money that I'm all right with losing? Now, if you guys are investing into cryptocurrencies or any kind of stocks or anything like that, I tend to say my best advice for those of you that are going to invest your cold, hard-earned cash is do it with passive income. Do it with money that you make while you are sleeping. If you are just trying to get lucky, chances are you will never get lucky. Ladies and gentlemen, I was not trying to get lucky. I was watching people that were trading Bitcoin that knew what they were doing. They've been in the market for 5, 7, 8, some of them 9 years. They had the lifestyle that I want to live. They drive the cars I want to drive. They have the family that I want to have. They have the houses that I want to have. Again, the principles that I'm sharing with you guys here is quite simple. Listen to people that have what you want. That's exactly what I did. One of my good friends, I'm not even going to say his name on this, he said, Austin, Bitcoin is going to skyrocket from where you have it at right now, which I took a position at right around, I think it was like $8,700, $8,600 is where we took the position. And we ended up selling at $98.80, ladies and gentlemen. We ended up having well over 24 Bitcoins. So again, ladies and gentlemen, was my risk worth it? In my case, absolutely, because the profit margin was there. I was able to make well over $20,000 in Bitcoin in literally just a matter of days. It made all the sense in the world, but I also knew individuals that were taking the same trades as me that have been doing this for a lot longer, that knew a lot more. And some of the reasons that they shared with me, and here's why I also did it. It wasn't just a hunch, but Ethereum 2.0. If you guys aren't familiar with it, make sure and Google Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum 2.0, they are might saying that is backing crypto space right now with how incredible Ethereum 2.0 is going to be, is skyrocketing the price of Bitcoin, which then in turn skyrocketing the price of Litecoin. Litecoin's been at an all-time high today. Bitcoin reached over $10,000, I think last night when you guys are viewing this video. It was probably a couple days ago. And it's literally insane what is happening in the crypto space right now. And I just so happen to get lucky in that aspect of things. But I knew what I was doing. I was following people that were trading it. I was following people that had the lifestyle and had the money that I wanted to have. And I was following the people that I knew were going to do the exact same trades as I did. Ladies and gentlemen, my best suggestion would be to find somebody in that space if you are looking to make that investment, okay? I do not give any tips or tricks whatsoever in any cryptocurrency because I do not know what I'm talking about, but I will always leverage my money. I will always make my money work for me rather than me working for my money. And if you have the money to do so, I strongly recommend that, ladies and gentlemen. Again, Austin Lewis here saying thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it was not a long one, but I just wanted to come to you guys and just share with you my experience on how I earned well over $20,000. And my main point to that was Bitcoin's probably going to continue to skyrocket. It's probably going to continue to go to 11,000 or 10,400, 11,000, 11,500. And if it does, I just want you guys to understand one thing. I am totally satisfied with where I sold my current Bitcoin versus if it went to 11,800, and I would be mad if I didn't sell because I could have made an extra $20,000 to $30,000. Ladies and gentlemen, that is not the name of the game when you are investing into situations like this or cryptocurrencies or really investing in anything. You need to take your profits and be all right with your profits and count that as a win and pat your back. Too many people in today's world want to take a trade like that or want to invest in something like that, want to invest in real estate, want to invest in Shopify or Amazon or any other industry in the ATM business, and yet they don't cut their profits at something where they're happy with. My cutoff margin was, hey, if I invested this and I was able to make $20,000, I'm pulling out, I'm happy. Because I know there's been so many other times that I've invested or I've gone to the casino or I've done something, I made some sort of investment that I made $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. I said, no, it's gonna keep going, it's gonna keep going, it's gonna keep going. When at that point, it was just sheer greed and sheer luck. I was happy to make this trade. I was exactly what I was looking for. I'm glad it happened. I will end up doing it multiple times here on out. Again, and I want to share with you guys my experience. So that's how I was able to earn over $20,000 with Bitcoin in just a few short hours. Ladies and gentlemen, Austin Lewis here saying, if you guys haven't already subscribed to the A&A Show, make sure and check out the link in the description below. We're interviewing incredible guests on this thing. It is absolutely blowing up out of this water. There's going to be 1 million subscribers on there. And if you guys haven't already, make sure and like this video. Make sure and do that for me, please. If you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure and subscribe as well. If you guys have any questions, drop in the comment section below. Make sure and come follow me on Instagram. Austin Lewis here saying, I'll see you guys in a future video.